This is a Countryboymodz production.
Alright, once you're done getting your clips out, just use a regular flathead screwdriver, or you can use the proper tool for it. You pull this right out. As you can see here, you got your intake stuff. I need to clean my radiator. I know that. So this all new to me. So let's next step, I want to get ready to take off this this grill here, this front grill. So that's the next step I'm gonna do. Take out these clips. Hopefully we get something. I'm probably doing too much. I don't even probably have to take off this whole entire grill, but I'm gonna see. I want to take stuff off anyways just to do it. So yeah, we're gonna see now. So I got a clip here and a clip there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to get these off. Boom, got that clip. Got that clip out from over here. Now it's time to pull this clip out. So I'm gonna put these clips in my pocket. That way I won't get them confused with everything else. And let's see what else we got. Right there. It goes to the bumper right here. So should definitely keep up with that. I'm gonna put that on the thing. And as you see, we got the bumper coming off. Ooh. Then we come around the front. Pop it off. As long as the clips are still okay. Alright, what's up y'all? In a nutshell, this is how you remove the front bumper from a Nissan Altima, the 6th generation, 2019 through 2021. So what I figured out is that pretty much it comes off like most bumpers. You see, you come behind the fender well. I can see no jack. There's no jack on. You come behind the fender well here. There should be a bolt somewhere right up in here between this piece right here where this red tab is. There should be a bolt that goes in right there. Once you remove that bolt, boom, you remove that bolt from right there, pull it down, and you easily pull out. You're gonna have screws on the bottom all the way across. As you see, I already took out, but yeah, there you go. I took out 3, so you got a lot more. One across the bottom all the way to the other side. And once you get done, you're just gonna easily pull out, and also you're gonna take the tabs off from up here. They'll be right here, right there. You wanna take all these tabs out the top, right here. And you wanna go all the way across. And also, to have this to come out as one piece, you're gonna have a tab here inside the grill, another tab there, one tab there, if you can see it, one tab here, one tab there, one tab there, and then you got a tab there, then you're gonna have a tab here. Now, to get to this tab, as you can see, this is the front bumper, the grill part. To get to this tab, this is where your tow hook, or this is where your cover is. So, to get to that tab right here, you want to just pull that apart, pull that out, and that tab will be located right there. Next thing you want to do, matter of fact, I can try to show you. You want to do this for the passenger side. As you can see, I haven't done the passenger side yet. So what you want to do, you want to try to get you a flathead screwdriver in the corner or somewhere, wherever you can. Pull it out best as you can. And try to feed it all the way down, because the screw is gonna be right here, and it's a Phillips head screw, so you can use a Phillips head screw or a 10mm socket, either one to get it out. So as you can see, what I'm doing right now, I'm pulling it out, and you can see that bolt right there. So I can't record this with one hand doing this. I don't have a stand, but that's all you're doing. So once I get this unscrewed, pretty much got everything else done, and I just pull it and pop it out. I'll show you once I'm done. As you can see, I got the screw almost gone in here. My back hurt now. Oh no, that's what you don't want to happen. But I can get it out. All right, so we got the screw here. Let's finish unscrewing that. Like I said, you got these on the bottom here. So I need to go get my other 10 millimeter socket. Get these screws off the bottom here. And we should be able to pull this bumper out. Go around the bottom of this thing. Make sure I got all the screws and everything from under here. So that's the next step. Remember, the screw's gonna be in here. It goes to this part. The screw gonna be in here. Go to this part, and you're gonna slightly pull out. See? Gonna slightly pull out like that, and the clamp should pop right out of there. Then you want to do the same thing coming across here. Just don't be too rough with it. You just want to make sure all your clamps and everything are in there. So now I got it here to this stage. Like I said, I got to get the. But sometimes I honestly think you don't even have to touch this part. But you might have to. Never mind. You have to because it's clamped to something else. But that might be just to take it out as two separate pieces, but I advise you not to try to probably take it out as two separate pieces because the way I guess Nissan designed it, it's something behind here. I'm gonna find out once I take it off that's holding it down. It took me a couple hours to like figure out like, hey, what is going on? But I'm gonna unscrew the rest of the screws on the bottom, and then guess what? Front bumper will be on. As you can see, you got one bolt right there, one bolt here, and you got that one bolt there. All right, I think I got all the tabs. So you got a total like 8 tabs that you got to take off from the bottom of that bumper. So here's the moment of truth. Give me a good point, grabbing point. And voila. I got the entire bumper off. The entire bumper is off of my Altima. As you can see, that whole entire bumper is off. Put on a wide angle so y'all can believe me. There's the bumper, there's the car. Y'all see it? Now, the SRs are wired up where this doesn't run all the time. I wonder, do they have a hidden wire somewhere up in here that you could pre-wire this into and make it automatic running at the time? Not sure. That's for another time. But I got the bumper off the Altima. I do need to back her up, get this picture going. But yep, definitely got the bumper off. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That is how you remove the front bumper from the Nissan Road. I mean, not Nissan Road, Lord have mercy, I'm talking about the Road. From a 2020, this works with the 2019 all the way up to the 2021 models. It's all trim level, all the same. They all come off like this, so yep. Sorry that it's nighttime, but like I said, I got it off, and that's how you take the front bumper off this car. Y'all, peace.